Hi, Robert and Audrey. How are you? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. I hope you're doing well. Hey, I talked to Ashley at your office on Friday. She said you guys would probably be the ones that would watch this. This is a free video. I work with roofers all across Texas as well as the Southwest. And what I do is I just put this video together for you guys. Three tips and tricks to increase your online presence. So I just wanted to run through that real quick. Obviously, this is free. If you guys want to implement these yourself, I'm totally good with that. If you do want to have further conversations and ask me any questions or dig into this a little bit more, I'd love to do that as well. So without any further ado, the three things that I want to cover today. Number one, I want to talk about content. Number two, I want to talk about citations, and number three, backlinks. Okay, so obviously have your website pulled up here. Very nice website. Love the team picture. Love the reviews that you have. Um, content on your website is essentially all the words, all the pictures, all the descriptions. With that said, one thing I noticed right off the bat that I might just show you real quick is Google scrolls this on a continual basis to gain authority to rank higher in their rankings, right? And so they not only scan all these words and scroll all these words, but they're looking at pictures and descriptions. So when I did take a look at one of the first pictures that I saw on your homepage here, if you go here and we do save image as, this is saved just as about section. This is a good opportunity to have a buyer intent keyword. Obviously, buyer intent keywords are what people are typing into Google to find products and services like roofing, roofing repair, San Antonio roofers. You get the picture there. So just thought I'd point that out. That's a quick fix that you can make, but otherwise your content and your website looks great. So the next thing I wanted to chat about was citations. Okay, so when we talk about Google search and basically people finding you online and essentially free leads, right? I mean, this is something you're not necessarily needing to spend a lot of money on ads for, although obviously when you do type in a buyer intent keyword like roofing company San Antonio, first thing you're going to see usually are some ads. Most consumers are going to scroll by those. People do want to see organic results. Okay, who are the companies that are ranking that are doing business in my area? So the next thing you're going to see, obviously, is this Google Map Pack, right? And these three businesses here, Integrity Roofing and Siding, Rollins Roofing, and Belding Roofing Company, these folks are getting a lot of traction and leads just because they're the first three companies that people see with this map. And the way they're in there is because they have a good number of citations. And citations, of course, is your company name, phone number, and address as you have it listed on Google. And again, Google gives authority to people that have more citations, and the citations are just signed up on different directories. So, your Yelp.com, your Home Advisor, BBB, all these different directories that are out there link back to this and give you citations and again give you authority in Google's eyes. So we're always making sure that our clients have more citations than their competition, so they show up in this top three because again, great area for free leads, a lot more business, a lot more sales, and a lot more eyeballs on your company. Finally, third, I want to talk about backlinks. I'm sure dealing in your business, you've heard that word before, and one of the tools that I have that I use in my tool belt is called Ahrefs. This is a software that I use. I pay $400 or $500 a month for, but what it allows me to do is look at companies' websites, really do the analytics on what's good, bad, what can be improved. And so just looking at tomlinroofing.com and putting that into this software, I see that you guys have 29 different websites that are giving you essentially almost 250 backlinks. It looks like you guys have lost about 36 backlinks within the last couple of months. So that is something that obviously is a fluid situation, and things are continually being scrolled and updated. So, um, to look at your competitor. So again, we go back to the Google search and we scroll down past the map pack. The first thing people are going to see after that map pack are these organic ranked companies, which may or may not be your competition. I just see cloudroofing.com, so I put that into my software just to kind of give you a comparison. They have 159 referring domains, and that's giving them 903 backlinks. So they're obviously doing some work there, to be number one in Google's eyes, when it comes to these keywords. And just to not to go too in depth, but to kind of show you what I mean by these keywords. So let's just click in. These are the organic keywords that they're ranking for in Google through all their backlinks and referring domains. This is what's ranking. So let's just take a look at that real quick, and I'll show you what I mean. So I believe that I typed in roofing company San Antonio was the keyword that I typed in, right? So this just shows you here, and I'll just give you a brief explanation. So volume 400, that means, approximately 400 people per month are typing roofing company San Antonio. Again, buyer intent, right? Because people are needing that product or service likely. Out of that, roughly 400 people that are typing that in, Cloud Roofing is getting 59 people that are clicking through to their website from when they search that in Google. So 59 potential clients. And again, the reason being, this says that they're ranked number 2 on that page. When I typed it in, it was number 1. So, it's usually right in that ballpark. But a lot of leads, a lot of, standard Google, analytics from 59, 60 traffic that you're getting per month, you're going to close a third of those. So I'm sure with your profit margins that's probably pretty good, and would be pretty nice. Just wanted to quickly take a quick look into your organic keywords. And again, these aren't exact. This is using their algorithms. So some of the things that you rank for, I'm just going to scroll down because some of these are just usual search terms in terms of roofing, but trying to get into this buyer intent area here to show you. There's roofing contractors San Antonio, 450 volume, 0 traffic, and again ranked second or third page of Google for that keyword. One other just to show you a little less volume, roofing San Antonio, Texas, 200 volume. Again, no traffic from that because we're ranked on the second or third page. So once we're able to get all of these, all of the content, citations, and backlinks working together, that's where we're going to get these results where you're going to be on the first page and, really seeing an uptick in leads, customers, and sales. So I hope that video helped. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, feel free to take these and use them for yourself. But again, I'd love to have a conversation with you and talk a little bit more about your business and what your goals are. Hope you guys have a great day and look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.